A magnetic connector may look simple, but a reliable device interface depends on much more than the visible connector's shape. The first decision is the required supply scope. Does the project need a magnetic connector component, a finished magnetic charging cable, or a magnetic data cable assembly? These products share similar contact technology, but they solve different integration requirements. A custom magnetic connector is the removable mating interface. Magnets assist capture, alignment, and retention, while spring-loaded contacts create the electrical path. Pin count, contact layout, dimensions, magnetic arrangement, housing, mounting, and PCB, FPC, or wire termination should be reviewed around the device. A magnetic charging cable combines the magnetic head, cable conductors, cable length, strain relief, overmold, and opposite end termination. USB-A, USB-C, bare wire, and selected custom interfaces can be evaluated. The conductor specification should follow the operating current, peak current, cable length, voltage drop, and temperature requirements. A magnetic data cable needs additional electrical definition. Pin count alone does not determine data capability. The pin map, interface protocol, power and ground allocation, signal requirements, cable construction, shielding strategy when required, and validation conditions must be confirmed together. Not every magnetic structure supports every data requirement. The device side geometry also matters. Round structures can support compact alignment and selected rotational requirements. Rectangular and low-profile structures can fit narrow enclosures, controlled mating directions, and space-limited layouts. The final structure should follow the actual enclosure, mounting method, cable exit, and user interaction. Before starting a custom project, prepare the application, voltage, operating and peak current, pin assignment, available installation space, mating direction, cable length, termination, environmental requirements, and expected quantity. A 2D or 3D drawing is helpful for the first review. After the structure is defined, the project moves through drawing review, sample development, electrical and mechanical verification, project-specific environmental validation, and confirmed production requirements. CTP develops custom magnetic connectors, magnetic charging cables, and magnetic data cables for OEM and ODM device projects. Send your drawing and requirements to begin an engineering review. Visit magneticpogo.com.